At Greensolv, our mission is simple: achieving more with less. That is why we offer you the best paint strippers with the lowest chemical consumption. So why does that matter? Well, number one, it's a lower using cost for you. And second, it's a smaller carbon footprint. What is the real usage? Well, for Alumistrip, Wheelstrip, and Aerostrip, you can strip about 10,000 square feet or 1,000 wheels with a 55-gallon drums. Or that is the equivalent of about 7 ounces of paint stripper for a full square foot strip. Here is a practical example. With a 150-gallon tank, if you want to do 1 batch a day, you'll be using approximately 1 drum per year. If you do 2 batches a day, that is 2 drums per year. Simple. If you have a larger tank, then use the same rule of 7 ounces per square foot stripped. Now, Steelstrip goes even further. Same performance, but about 4 times less chemical consumption. So that is about 40,000 square feet stripped with 1 drum of additives for Steelstrip. So why are Greensolv chemical paint strippers so efficient? 2 reasons. Number 1, you never need to dump your chemical tank completely. We help you replenish and reactivate your solution. And 2, ultra-low evaporation, thanks to a great formulation design and an oil seal that prevents evaporation. Bottom line, strip more parts, use less chemical, make more money. 1 drum per year equals 1 batch per day.